How to add follow button on Facebook page. Hey there, welcome or welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To add a follow button on your Facebook page, you will actually have to create a professional account for your Facebook page. If you don't know how, you need to go ahead and create an account. First and foremost, let us say that this is a Facebook page account. So from here, you need to click on the three horizontal line in your top right and tap on the profile icon. There, tap on the three dot icon and locate the turn on professional mode option. If your profile is locked, make sure to unlock it first and foremost and tap on turn on professional mode and click on turn on once again. Then there will be a couple of steps that you need to go ahead and complete, so make sure to do so as well and set your default audience as public and tap on next again. Then tap on confirm. After that, you have successfully set the professional account for your Facebook page. Now, if you tap on the three dot again and select as view as, you will see there is the follow button right over here. So this is how you can easily add a follow button for your Facebook page. Just go ahead and make sure you create a professional account. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for